when you agree to
You have to lick the fridge!
Okay, if I get sticky high ass on camera, I'll be really upset. Yay! I'm dying embarrassed! Guess what? You're on national television! Emily's camera.
That's the best thing I've ever seen! I'm not speaking enough.
Emily, stop that.
I'm speaking in an accent.
Probably my best.
So